I bought the new Kodak Charmera keychain camera about a month ago, and I've taken 77 photos with it so far. Of those 77, 67 have been of the inside of my pocket. The rare times that I've actually had a use for this camera and wanted to take a picture with it, it's been completely dead, mostly because it's been taking pictures of the inside of my pocket. The reason for this is these buttons are not recessed, so it's super easy for them to like bump into your keys itself or just your pocket and turn on and then just start taking pictures. So what I designed is a 3D printable case that you can put the camera in. Goes in like this, and this makes the buttons recessed. I've been using this for a little bit now, and I haven't accidentally turned on the camera since. It also covers up the USB-C and micro SD slots. When I first got the camera, I was a bit worried about pocket lint and tater tots getting jammed up inside of both of those ports. And also this camera doesn't have internal storage, so if that SD card pops out, you're kind of screwed. Originally, I was going to leave the USB-C port exposed, but I figured that it's easy enough to pop out intentionally that if you did need to recharge it, it's not that big of a deal. The third thing that I don't really like about this camera is the mount for the keychain. It's made out of like super flimsy plastic, and I'm already seeing signs of stress fracturing on mine, so I figured that it's probably broken off of other people's cameras. I also designed this second case that has a replacement mount for the keychain. Ideally, in the version 2 of the Charmera, the keychain mount would be like integrated into the corner of the camera itself. So it's a little bit more low profile and a bit more robust. But for now, this is just a quick fix in case yours is broken. I have these listed on MakerWorld for free. You can download them now. I have a full build guide and some instructions on how to get them printed. I designed these around PLA plastic, which is the most widely available and cheapest plastic out there. Overall, it comes out to about 8 grams of filament or about 17 cents worth of material.